Now let us go for the next question. Question number 14. What is that? So a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with a wind in a horizontal line. So at a height of 88.2 from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at the instant is 60 degrees. So after the some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. See, when see the girl is here, so the mentioned figure also, the girl height is 1.2 meters. When she observed the balloon here, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees, and so actually the balloon is moving in a horizontal direction due to the wind. So it was moving like this, from here to here it was moved. So here, see, here is the balloon. Of course this distance or this distance both will be equal. Obviously these two are perpendicular. So here, so balloon was moved in this direction, so the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. So after the sum time, so let it be, so that will be after the sum time. Find the distance traveled by the balloon. This is the distance traveled by the balloon. Look at here carefully. So here to, so this total height will be what, 88.2. Here to here it is 1.2. Obviously this value will become 87 only. Why? This total is 88.2, but this gap is what, 1.2 meters. 88.2 minus 1.2 will be what, 87 meters you will get. We'll see. Just I'll draw the figure. Here is the girl. So this is the horizontal line. This is also horizontal. Basically these two are 90. This is 90, 90. These two are also 90, 90. Let it be. The angle of elevation here is what, 60 degrees. And the angle of elevation here is 30 degrees. So let us take this as some A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's take this as G also. That is also going to be used. So first, the total height is what here? 88.2 meters. This totally from here to here. So this gap and this gap will be equal. This is 1.2. Obviously, the FG height will be what? FG height will be 88.2 minus 1.2. Let it be. First, let AB is equal to 1.2 is what? Height of the girl. Next, EF is what? Balloon height. Balloon height. Actually, balloon is flying at constant height only. Here it is the balloon and here it is the balloon. So it was moved like this, but there is no change in the height here. Constant height. What is that? 88.2 meters. So that height is here what? EF. EF is the height of the balloon. So now, let us take this as A, B, C, D, G. Let us take this as H. Actually, before only I take. So CH is the height of the balloon initially. Initially means when it would not move due to wind. So after that it was moved like this. And what I am going to find is, so let this value I have to find. So let us take this as some A, B, C, H I have taken. G, H I have taken this. Next I am taking this value as I. So here GA is equal to what? Distance moved by balloon. So the distance moved by the balloon I am taking it as X. So this value I am taking it as X. Look at here carefully. FG is equal to EF minus GE. So what is the EF here? 88.2. So this GE and AB will be equal and this will be minus 1.2. It will become what? 87. Now this value will become 87. So obviously these two lengths will be equal. HI also going to be 87 here. So this will be 87 here. So we need to take the triangle BHI. From triangle BHI, otherwise I will explain another paper. So from triangle BHI I am taking. This is 90 degrees and this angle will be 60 degrees. This will be 87 and tan 60 is equal to HI by BI. So tan 60 is what here? Root 3 is equal to HI is 87 BI. So now the value of BI, why I am finding value of BI? See, if I want to go for this one, definitely I need this value if I want to find the X. So here BI is equal to, or BI into root 3 is equal to 87. BI is equal to 87 by root 3. Let it be. Next, take the triangle BFG. BFG. So BFG. Sir, door close jera. Close the door. So BFG. BFG. So this will be what? This height will be 87. Already we got. And this value will be BI plus X. So this will be what? Tan 30 degrees. So here we need to find X value. Already we got BI also. Don't worry about that. So tan 30 is equal to 87 by BI plus X. So tan 30 will be what? 1 by root 3. That is 87 by BI plus X. Cross multiplication. 1 into BI plus X is equal to 87 root 3. See, cross multiplication. So X is equal to 87 root 3 minus BI. So X is equal to 87 root 3 minus BI is what? 87 by root 3. So you will get this value as X is equal to 8 into root 3 is what? 8 into 3. I'm sorry. This is 87 root 3 only. Okay. Now this one will be X is equal to, first take better 87 common. You will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this one will become X is equal to 87 into, see, 87 root 3 minus BI is 87 by root 3. So 87 into root 3 is root 3 square 3. 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this one will be 87 into 2 by root 3. You will get this is X. So but still we have to simplify this one. X is equal to 87 into 2 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator, root 3 by root 3. X is equal to 87 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, that is 3. So what you will get? 3 ones are, that is 3 twos are 6. Next 3 nines are 27. So this will become 29 twos are 58. 58 root 3 meters will be the what? Height of, the distance between the balloon in the initial height to the final height. So how we are going to get? That is the value of X also. It's a little bit lengthy, but nothing in that if you understand the question.